VDB Learnings. This is Vanshika and today we are going to learn about multiplication trick. The name of a multiplication trick is multiplication by 125. In the previous video, we have learned about multiplication by 25 trick. If you missed out that video, please click on I and watch that video. Let's get started with multiplication by 125 trick. This trick is also easy. We have already learned multiplication by 5 and multiplication by 25. So in this trick also, we have to use two steps for solving multiplication by 125 by Vedic maths method. Before that, let's solve the problem by using general method. Let's take one example, 46 multiplied by 125. So by using general method, that is academic method, how we can solve this problem? First we will write 46 multiplied by 125. First we will multiply 5 to the 46. 5 to the 46. Okay, so 5 6 are 30. I am writing 0 here and 3 carry. Then 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 3, 23. So this is the first step of multiplying 5 by 46. Now next is we have to multiply 2 by 46. So second step, we have to put 0 and then multiply 2 by 46. So 2 6 are 12. I am writing 2 here. 1 carry over. Then 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. This is the second step. Now 1 is remaining. So we have to multiply 1 by 46. So let's put 0, 2 zeros here. Okay. Now 1 6 are 6 and 1 4s are 4 and let's add. Okay. So what is the addition? 5750. You can see here, general method has lots of steps and it requires more times. Now we will see how to solve the same problem by using Vedic maths method. So let's solve. Let's take the same example, 46 multiplied by 125. As we have learned in the multiplication trick by 5 and 25, we have to use the same steps. That is only two steps. The first step is divide by 8. Means you have to divide the number by 8, and the second step is multiply by 1000. Means you have to multiply the first step answer by 1000 and then you will get the answer. Let's solve the problem. Now we have to use the steps. First step is divide the number by 8. The number is 46 and we have to divide it by 8. So what is the division? 5.75. This is the first step. Now the next step is multiply by 1000. Means simply we have to multiply 5.75 into 1000. Then you will get the answer 5750.00. As we already know, there is no any use of zeros after the decimal points. Okay, so the final answer is 5750. This is your final answer. Now you can see here, this is the same trick which we have learned in multiplication by 5 and multiplication by 25. Means we have to use only two steps and then we will get the answer. Now you can compare what is the difference between general method and Vedic maths method. So in general method, we took lots of time as well as steps, But in Vedic maths method, we use only 2 steps. Let's take one more example. 318 multiplied by 125. First step is divide by 8. We have to simply divide 318 by 8. So what is the division? We already know how to solve the division. If you don't know how to divide the numbers or how to do the division, then please be connected with all this video. You will get division tricks as early as possible. And by using that trick, you can easily solve any type of division. The answer is 39.75. Now, the second step is simply multiply this answer by 1000. So, 39.75 multiplied by 1000. Then we will get the answer 39,750.00. Now how we can write the final answer? As there is no use of zeros after the decimal point, then final answer is 39,750. This is your final answer. Let's take another example. 7,872 multiplied by 125. Let's solve quickly. First step is divide by 8. So 7,872 divide by 8. Quickly we have to do the division. The answer is 984. You can see here there is no any decimal point. So it's very easy to multiply by 1000. Multiply 984 by 1000. This is our second step. Okay. So what is the answer? It's simply 984 and you have to put 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. And this is your final answer. Let's take big example. 32,589 multiplied by 125. Now you can see here this is the big example. But we don't have to worry because we have Vedic maths tricks. Yes, so let's solve. So first step is divide by 8. Let's write the number 32,589 and simply divide 8 by 8. Okay, and what is the answer? I am writing here. The answer is 4073.625. Now the next step is what? Simply multiply this number by 1000. So multiply it by 1000. And what is the answer? 4073,625.000. But there is no use of zeros. That's why the final answer is 4073,625. You can see here within a minute we got our answer. Yes, so this trick is very easy as compared to the general method or academic method. You can solve any digit number multiplication in easiest way only by using the 2 steps. Now you can clearly see the difference between general method and Vedic maths method. In general method, we have to follow step-by-step procedure for multiplication. That is, first multiply with unit place number, then multiply with tens place number, then multiply with hundred place number. After that, we will get the answer. But in Vedic maths method, you have to follow only 2 steps and then you will get your answer. In general method, it requires more time, but in Vedic maths method, within a minute, we can solve the problem. So what are you waiting for? Just try all this Vedic maths method and you will get clear idea about Vedic maths method, how easily Vedic maths method can solve the problems within a less time. And for more and more tricks, please be connected with us so that you will get more and more tricks and you can use in your calculations. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.